Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that helps you save your money from fake promises and misleading online products. Today, we're reviewing a product that's going viral, the TorqueBall. It claims to rebuild hand strength and restore independence in just 5 minutes a day. Sounds impressive, but is it really worth buying or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. TorqueBall is advertised as a clinically proven spinning sphere designed to help people regain grip strength, stop trembling hands, and even restore lost hand control, all from home. According to their website, it stops trembling hands and rebuilds grip strength fast. It quickly restores lost hand strength with only 5 minutes of daily use. About 73% of customers buy it for aging parents. And it even has a built-in LCD counter so you can see your strength grow daily. Pretty bold claims for a small handheld device. But do these promises hold up when tested? After researching reviews and real user experiences, here's what we discovered. Some users said the TorqueBall actually provides a decent wrist and hand workout. The spinning motion gives resistance that can improve coordination and grip, especially if used consistently. However, several red flags also popped up. The official website lacks company transparency, no clear address, limited contact details, and no proof of clinical testing. Many buyers reported delayed shipping or receiving cheaper versions of the ball. Some customers said the LCD counter stopped working within weeks. And let's be honest, expecting it to restore independence in 5 minutes a day feels like marketing exaggeration, not medical science. It seems like the product exists, but the marketing promises might be too good to be true. Section 3. Is it worth buying or not? 2 feet. Tot. 245. Host. So, is the TorqueBall worth your money? If you just want a simple hand exerciser to improve grip or mobility, it might be okay. It's not a scam in the sense of being fake, but the claims are definitely overhyped. For elderly users or people recovering from hand weakness, I'd recommend checking verified medical or physiotherapy tools sold on trusted sites like Amazon, where you can read genuine customer feedback. Always remember, if a product claims clinically proven but doesn't show any real proof, that's a major red flag. So my honest verdict? TorqueBall might work as a basic hand strength tool, but it's not a miracle solution like the ads suggest. Be smart, research before buying, and don't fall for catchy slogans. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next scam-busting review. Stay alert, stay safe. Thank you.